Just a little orange drink. That's how Truman Capote ordered his screwdriver mid-flight, because this was his constant companion. Simple, bright, and entirely civilized. 3 things, and that's generous. Vodka, orange juice, and a slice of orange for garnish. Start with 2 ounces of vodka. Capote preferred Russian or Polish. Russian Standard or Stolichnaya were his kind of pour, but Belvedere and Chopin bring a softer Polish touch. Pour in 4 ounces of orange juice. Fresh squeezed is the only way. Anything less, and Capote would have sent it back. Fill a highball glass with ice, pour the vodka first, then the orange juice. Stir well, and garnish with a fresh orange slice. Truman Capote wrote most of In Cold Blood fueled by these. Small wonder he called it his orange drink. Come back and sit down for another drink soon.